Hello and welcome. Let's have a look at a powerful tool in Autodesk Inventor, the Loft feature. What is Loft? To loft is to harmonize a transition from one profile to the next with or without additional conditions applied to the process. In other words, lofting allows you to create smooth, flowing shapes by connecting two or more profiles along a path. Think of it like sculpting with curves. You define the starting and ending shapes, and Inventor fills in the gap, creating a seamless transition. This seemingly simple concept opens a doorway to a vast range of possibilities. From simple cylinders to intricate organic shapes, lofting empowers you to design complex models efficiently. In this video, we will have a look at solid lofts with 4 examples. The first example is a pyramid. It's a loft between a square and a point. The second example is a loft between 3 profiles, 2 equal-sized squares, and 1 smaller square in the middle. The third example has that same situation, 1 square at the bottom, 1 smaller square here, and we apply a direction with weight to that. The fourth example is a loft between that same square and a circle with a defined center line. Okay, let's go through those examples one by one. I start by creating a sketch on the top plane. Make that a center point rectangle here. Give that a dimension of 44 and apply an equal relationship between those. Okay, it's fully constrained. I will define a plane with an offset from the top plane with a 33 and start a sketch on that one, and that'll just be a point here. All right, so those will be the 2 profiles for our loft. You find the command here. I click on one edge and click on that point. I get a preview. I accept that work plane, and there it is, our first example, the pyramid. I will save this for the next example as tower, and just delete that loft. I still get that work plane. Start a different sketch on that one. Project that geometry in our work plane here. Go to the offset, take that and give it an offset dimension of 12 millimeters. And let's make construction geometry out of that outer square. Finish that sketch and define another work plane dependent on that bottom top plane. Give that a 66 offset and start a sketch on that one. And I will just project those 4 lines into our sketch. And that's it. I will hide that sketch plane. And now let's go again into the Loft command. Take that profile, that one, and the third one. And we see how Inventor calculates the smooth transition between those 3 profiles. For the next example, I'll just save this as box, and this time I will delete the loft we just created, but I will keep the sketches and go into the loft again, that profile and that one. And now let's pick this tab here, conditions, and that is our sketch 1 here at the bottom. And there is that option to which was in free condition, but now we will pick the direction condition. So the direction has this arrow, this direction, and the weight, let's say the weight, the emphasis that our profile gives on our body can be defined by this weight. I'll just change it to 2, so you see, okay, there's more weight, so more push from the bottom. Okay. I will save this as pipe for our last example. Get rid of that loft here. Well, we don't need those really for that one. And now I will define a path. I start a 2D sketch on this plane, create a line here from the origin upwards, somewhere here, go into an arc, make that a tangent continuity, and give that a height of 66. Then make that line equal to that one. Apply a radius value of 33 and an angle between those 2 lines of 150. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. Finish that. Go into the plane options here and take that normal to axis through point. I take that as an axis, and that is the point. Then start a sketch on that one, a circle, and make that 44. Finish that. You can hide that sketch plane. Go back to the loft. Take that section. Take that circle. And now here where it says rails, we'll take the center line and pick our curve here. And there it is. That loft created with a center line. Well, I hope you like this introduction to lofts, and I see you in the next video.